Then friends, that property may be transferred in a present or future. Next essential is the property may be transferred in a present or future. So this is the essential that is related to what the word used in section 5, that is property may be transferred in a present or future. So the property which is in existent, that can be transferred in future or present. So it means that as soon as the process is completed, as soon as the properties parties are entered into transaction, that property existent, for the transfer of existent property, that property may be transferred immediately. It means that transferee may get right in that property immediately, or the parties may provide that though the transaction is completed, but the transferee may get right in a future date. So that is the process, that is the event for which the word is used for the transfer of property. So the effect is that property may be transferred in present or future. So in first example we can see what is the transfer of property immediate. So the property is, the effect of that transaction is immediate in such circumstances. For example, A gives his house as gift to B and there is no condition. It means as soon as that gift transaction is completed, B becomes the owner. It means this is the transfer of property in a present. Immediately that property gets transferred from transferor to transferee. And we must see how that transaction is completed in the future. So that is for example, if A gives he completed the transaction which provides for giving wristwatch as a gift to B, but for that purpose he provides a condition to be fulfilled by B, and that is the B must score first class in examination. So this is the transaction which provides for the transfer of property in the future. It means as soon as B fulfills the condition, as soon as B secures first class in examination, he will be entitled to get that property. And if he failed to do that, then it may not be, he may not be entitled to get that property. So and last is that property must be transferable under section 6. So it means non-transferable properties cannot be transferred by section 5 of that act. So you must keep in mind that it is the transaction between two living person, and most importantly these two living persons must be competent to enter into the contract. So friends, these are the essentials of section 5 of that act. So friends, you must remember that section 5 is nothing but the touchstone to define, touchstone to examine whether any transaction between two living person is a valid and it is enforceable as per section 5 of act or as per the transfer of property act. And when that transaction satisfies these essential conditions which are provided by section 5, then the transaction is valid, that will be enforceable. And if it does not satisfy such condition, then that will not be valid transaction. So section 5 works as a touchstone to decide the validity of transaction. So friends, if you like this channel, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So friends, thank you.